Probably February next year I'll get a new phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Which one are you looking at?
It's gonna be an iPhone.
Yeah.
Get one like yours.
It's pretty sweet, man.
I want to pay cash for that bad boy.
Hell you.
It's like icing. Lick it.
You're the fatty here.
What are you trying to say about fat people?
Nothing. That they like to eat.
Racist.
That they like to eat.
Racist. I am kind of hungry.
Tell me about it. No breakfast today, guys. No breakfast.
You ate it all.
Yeah, you ate the bag of dicks.
Racist.
That is not racist, sir.
Racist.
Racist. I like that.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
The whitest person in town, and he's calling me racist. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Again, we're still starting this off. We're trying to walk you guys through the process of what we're doing. You know, from the get-go. You know, you guys have seen the shop. It's the shop slash room. You know, studio, I guess, as well. And